¿Hace cuánto luchamos por la igualdad? Hello everyone. In today's lesson we're going to learn how to use hace and desde in time expressions. So let's begin. So we use hacer and desde in time expressions to indicate how long ago an action started. We follow this structure, hace, plus a time expression or the period of time, plus a sentence with a verb in the present tense. And what we're indicating is that the action began at some point in the past and continues for a period until our present. So let's take a look at this sentence. Hace 2 meses que se investiga el caso de discriminación. So the equivalent in English will be, they have been investigating the case for 2 months. So notice that hace 2 meses is the equivalent in English of for 2 months. Also notice that we have a que and that the verb is in the present tense. But in English, we're using the present perfect. Another way to express this sentence is se investiga el caso de discriminación desde hace 2 meses. So, for 2 months could also be expressed as desde hace 2 meses. And notice that the phrase with the verb in the present tense is placed before the time expression. So if we want to express that an action has been happening for a period of time, then there are 2 ways to express that in Spanish. First, you can either say hace plus the period of time plus the sentence with the verb in the present. Or the second option is to begin with the sentence and the verb in the present plus the expression desde hace plus the period of time. Desde hace, literally in English, means since X time ago. Now, if I want to ask how long ago or how long something has been happening, for example, how long they have been investigating the case of discrimination, the equivalent in Spanish will be cuánto hace que se investiga el caso de discriminación. So notice that how long means cuánto in Spanish. And I can either add cuánto tiempo hace que or just simply cuánto hace que. So the structure will be the word cuánto plus the expression hace que plus the sentence with the verb in the present. So let's take a look at this sentence. ¿Desde cuándo se investiga el caso de discriminación? So again, desde cuándo will be my equivalent of how long, and all I have to add is the sentence with the verb in the present. And lastly, if I want to express how long ago something happened or has been happening, then all I have to do is use the word hace plus the period of time plus que plus the sentence with the verb in the present. So, for example, 3 days ago means hace 3 días. And that's it for today.